6 months after Geetika Sharma committed suicide, her mother and prime witness in the case hanged herself to death in the same room and in the similar way as her daughter. Speaking exclusively to NDTV, Ankit recounted her mother's last 24 hours and Anuradha's last conversation with her mother in Jammu just minutes before she committed suicide. NDTV's Sonal Mehrotra joins us for more on this. Sonal, this is a very, very sad story that we've been reporting. You spoke to Ankit, Geetika's brother. Tell us a little bit about what he said.
Well, Vishnu, here we're talking about a guy, a 22-year-old boy who's lost both his mother and his sister in a just span of 6 months. He spoke to us off camera, but very vividly and very candidly about what the entire family has been going through. Most importantly, he's recounted the last 24 hours that he spent with his mother. He's gone on to say that she was perfectly normal. There have been several reports so far. The mother was under depression after the daughter's death, and that's the reason why she committed suicide. He slashed those claims and he said that she was perfectly normal. She went to office. In fact, they were supposed to meet for lunch. He's told us that around 2 o'clock was the last conversation he had with his mother, where she said that around 4 she will be coming to his office in Hoskas village, and that's when they're going to have some food and they're going to walk around. That never happened, he said, and around 5 o'clock, 5:15, he got a call that his mother had passed away, hung herself to death in the same room, exactly in the same manner as the daughter had 6 months ago. Now, another very important thing that he's talked about is the last conversation that the mother had. We've been told that around 4:15, Ankit's grandmother, that is Anuradha Sharma's mother, called her up to generally chat up about things, and that's when she broke down and said that she was very scared and she feared that, like she she'd lost Geetika, she would lose her son Ankit too. That is the conversation, the last point of conversation that she had with her mother, and post that she went home. She was all by herself in the room when she hung herself to death. But Ankit has claimed that it's not because of depression, and his reason for saying this is the fact that it's not the first time she was alone in the house. It is not the first time that she was basically depressed. He goes on to say that had she had to take this extreme step, she would have taken this long back. He goes on to talk about a series of things, Vishnu, about how the family and the trauma they had been going through. He talks about, most importantly, about the way Kanda would smile at them in the courtroom, how they had to struggle to find lawyers to fight their case. Also talking about how this entire fear psychosis that has spread, not just with the Sharma family, but even with relatives, that they would not even want to stand up with them. So a host of issues now coming to fore, and as we speak about this, Delhi police has taken cognizance. They have registered a case of abetment to suicide against Gopal Kanda and Aruna Chadha, and they will be investigating into the last conversation Ankit has talked to us about that she made with her mother, and they will be interrogating various colleagues to try and understand what really went wrong. If it wasn't depression, as the family claims, what was it that Anuradha Sharma had to take away her life?